What is up, everybody? Welcome back to VogelStang. Thanks for checking out this video. I appreciate you guys clicking on it to see what's going on, because all it's today is going to be is just a simple update on what my plans are with DeathStroke. So no install today. Yes, I know that's shocking for me not to do an install. That's like 99% of my videos. First of all, I gotta say, I just got this light, this LED light. So it's like a shop light, but it's LEDs instead of the fluorescent lights. And I gotta say that's very nice. I'm gonna work on right now. She's really filthy. I haven't washed her all week, and it's rained. So, but I do plan on doing like a detailed job. I don't know if you can see, but there are very faint scratches in the paint. I did not have this. I did not have it PPF'd at all. I don't know if it's kind of tough to see. But actually there are, you can see, there we go. You can see all those, there's a lot of scratches. This car has never been through a car wash. I think they've just been the result of hand washing, honestly. And that's a little concerning, because I do try and take the best precaution when washing this car. So I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. So I do want to do some paint correction on this myself, learn how to do it. I've never really done any of those things before, so I want to try and do it myself. And a ceramic coat. So that's my plan for the outside of the car. And for some reason my GoPro just stopped. I don't know does that happen to anybody? I was in the middle of talking and it just decides to stop recording after like 7 minutes. What else do I have to do? I gotta fix this paint this window chip right here. I do have a, I got a chip right there. I do have a kit that is supposed to, I guess, fill that in. I'm curious about if anybody else has had success with that or not. I haven't looked it up, but I haven't tried it, but I do want to get that fixed. One other thing I have to do is I did try wrapping this when I first got it, and it came out horribly. I tried it a couple times, and you see here, bad. I failed miserably. You can see I didn't even finish the bottom here. Yeah, I'm revealing all the dirty secrets. That's maybe I shouldn't have told you guys. Maybe I'm gonna go back and edit that out. What else? So we have what I have in progress right now that I will upload a video on is the emblems. So back in the beginning of the summer, I plasti dipped this 5.0 emblem orange to see if I would like it or not. And because I am going with the orange accent, since I do have the orange pinstripes, but I wasn't sure if I wanted the 5.0s to be orange or to be this matte silver. So I only did this one 5.0. The other 5.0 on the other side is still chrome. But so I've been riding around all summer with one side orange, one side chrome. Not that that's a big deal, because people are only going to see one side at a time. But anyway, I've decided that I do like the orange, and I'm going to paint these an orange color. So there was one more problem that I've been having for trying to figure out this whole orange scheme, and that is getting the orange to match everything. So I have this orange pinstripe, and ultimately what I would like is I would like the orange on the 5.0 to match the pinstripe, and then the brake calipers all to match the same orange. And don't forget the Instagram sticker in orange. So I want, you know, I don't want all these different shades of orange, because I don't know if, I don't think that's going to look right. They should be completely matching, or at least be very close to where your eye can't pick up the difference between the oranges. So I was kind of stuck for a little while, and I was just, you know, again, doing other things. I wasn't too concerned with doing the orange right away, because there weren't any car shows that were happening. So to me, I was just like, well, I'm not in a rush. To me, it was more, I was more focused on getting some of the suspension stuff done, the springs and all that good stuff, and just some other mods. But now I want to get this done before the summer is over. I've figured out what orange I like. There's actually an orange made by VHT that I'm going to do the calipers. Actually, not these calipers. These calipers are going to be coming off, and I have some Brembos to put on. So orange 5.0, I'm going to do the horse in the front orange, GT in the back orange, and we'll go look at oh, one other thing that I want to work on and try and fix is the alignment of this trunk piece back here. I'm pretty sure that there's a way to adjust the arms of the trunk, whatever these brackets are called here. I'm pretty sure that there's a way to adjust these so that way this lands more flush, because right now you can see it's just like really off. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have here. And so we got rotors that will fit the Brembos, and here was the original Brembo. As I got it, I bought these used, and here is the one caliper that I started to paint, and I think I want to put one more coat of, or maybe a couple more coats of clear on here and make it give it a little bit more shine. I do have new Brembo stickers that I ordered to throw on there. I also have this pretty cool coyote emblem. It's, you know, it's just plastic, but it looks pretty cool. I'm not sure what to do with it. I was originally going to throw it. I was originally going to get rid of the GT on the back and put this back there, but I don't know if I want to do that. So there are holes. You know, the GT is, if you take the GT off, it's going to leave some holes back there, and I have a couple choices, right? So if I do want to use this on the rear deck lid, I would either have to get a new rear deck lid that didn't have any holes and then put that on there, or I would have to try and figure out a way to fill the holes, sand it down, fill the holes, sand it down, paint it, or wrap it, and I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that. So I'm thinking I just may paint the GT. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I leave the GT back there and paint it orange along with the rest of the emblems, or should I get a new deck lid, a blank deck lid, and throw that coyote symbol? Do you guys like that coyote symbol? I know there's a couple different ones floating around out there. There's this one where he's got kind of like the mean growl face going on, and then there's the other coyote symbol that's kind of like, it's more of a howl. So I don't know. What do you guys think? You think I should throw that on the back or leave the GT? Is there someplace else that you think that this could go that would look pretty cool? Let me know. So on another note, I did actually happen to have a pretty successful wrapping job. I know that I just mentioned that I completely failed on this wing, but I did just recently wrap the roof of this here Challenger So this originally had these were professionally installed, these stripes. Same thing with the RT stripes on the side. Had those professionally installed. I did the pinstripe, which was fairly easy, and then I wrapped the roof, and it's a little dirty right now, but I have to say that it came out pretty good. Right, so the edges look nice and clean, and it would I should wash it, but I'll get another picture of it after I get it clean. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. It was still a little bit tough. I think we're going to wrap the trunk lid as well, so I think that's going to flow really nicely. So you have the front stripes here that kind of get thicker and wider, and if you follow that line up, it comes really directly to this line, which is really cool. And then you have the flat black wrap on the top, and then a flat black wrap on just the trunk, and then you have this wing that was from I think carid.com. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what it was, which is pretty cool. So I think that's gonna look really cool if we wrap this as well. I know this is a Mustang channel, but there is a Mopar in the driveway that sometimes I may talk about. So with all that being said, I'm going to record and work on these emblems here. I'm going to start painting them, take off the plastic dip on these 5.0s and paint it, and I'll record and document and upload, and you guys will get to see how it turns out. But until then, I just wanted to give you guys an update on the plans. Oh, I have one more thing to show you guys. Just hold on, you guys stay right there. All right, so here we go. I've been waiting to open this. This just arrived yesterday. Get my trusty knife from Mr. Street Speed 717. This was off of his In-Chain Designs website, which is really cool. You know, I don't know which one of his giveaways I bought this for, but it's definitely a very cool knife. And obviously didn't win the giveaway, but at least I got a cool knife out of it. Oh, so by the way, this is from Summit Racing, and that's the first time that I've ordered something from Summit in a really long time. Back when I had my Fox body, I was getting Summit stuff from Summit like too often. But anyway, there we go. And what do we have in here? We have a lot of bubble wrap as always. G-Force racing gear. This is nice, isn't it? Nice, like kind of strap thing here. Let's open it up. I think you guys can tell what it is, right? Ah, yes. There we go. So, I told you guys racing was going to happen. I told you I was going to hit the drag strip. And I think things are getting a little bit better now. The tracks around here are, you know, I mean, they've been open. I just haven't gone. One, because I needed a helmet, so now I have a helmet. Oh, there it is. I knew it was SA 2015, right? So Snell SA 2015, so it's got all the proper rating for drag racing. So hopefully soon we'll get her out on a track, and the plan is to get her down the quarter mile, see what she does as stock. You know what's going to start happening next, right? Next comes the performance mods, and that's when the real fun begins. So you guys know what to do. I mean, you watched the video, just hit the thumbs up. It really helped me out. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. More content coming. It's going to be a lot of good stuff. Racing, it's coming, finally coming. Hit that subscribe button. Right next to it is the little bell. Hit that bell too, and that way you know when I drop a video, and I appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, hammer down. Later.